In this video, I'm going to explain to you exactly how to transfer your Sweatcoin to your Sweat wallet. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to go into your Sweat wallet app. And as you can see, I'm currently on my Sweat wallet app right here. So then what you're going to do on this Sweat wallet app right here is to just scroll down, and then you will be able to see the exact steps that is actually required for you to take to be able to earn one Sweatcoin. So as of right now, when I'm filming this one, it takes almost 6,000 steps, as you can see, to be able to actually earn one Sweatcoin. And it's going to change over time, just so you know. So as you can see, this is my total balance that I'm able to see in here. So to be able to actually transfer your Sweatcoin to your Sweat wallet, you need to be able to firstly fulfill all of the steps that is required for you to actually do so. So as long as you do the required steps per day, and you also have the Sweatcoin app installed on your mobile, so you both have the Sweatcoin and the Sweat wallet app, it's going to automatically transfer your Sweatcoin to your Sweat wallet when you actually achieved all of the steps that is required for you to actually earn one Sweatcoin, just so you know. So that is basically exactly how to transfer Sweatcoin to your Sweat wallet.